A lot of gig work doesn't actually require a car. But most people assume delivery apps are the only option, which leads them to ignore higher-paying work they can do from home or on foot. By the end of this, you'll know which no-car gig jobs are realistic, how they actually pay, and what kind of work fits different schedules and skill levels. First, freelance writing is one of the most common no-car gigs. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients who need blog posts, product descriptions, or basic web content. The work is fully remote, and income depends on skill level and consistency, rather than location. Second, online microtask platforms let you complete small digital tasks like data tagging, surveys, or simple research. These tasks are short and flexible, which makes them useful for filling spare time, but pay per task is usually low, so volume matters. Third, virtual assistant work involves handling basic business tasks like email management, scheduling, or customer support. This is often more stable than microtasks because clients need ongoing help instead of one-off tasks. Fourth, user testing apps pay you to review websites or apps and record your feedback. The work is simple and requires only a smartphone or computer, making it accessible without transportation or equipment. Fifth, tutoring online is another strong option. Platforms like Chegg or similar services allow you to teach subjects you already know. Demand depends on subject strength, but sessions can be scheduled flexibly. Sixth, content moderation jobs involve reviewing posts, comments, or listings for online platforms to ensure they follow rules. This type of work is steady but requires attention to detail and consistency. Seventh, transcription work involves converting audio into written text. It requires good listening skills and typing speed, but it can be done entirely from home with a basic laptop. Across all of these options, the key difference is that income is tied to time and skill rather than driving or location. The more consistent and accurate your work, the more opportunities you tend to get over time. Here's the summary. No-car gig jobs exist across writing, admin work, testing, tutoring, and digital tasks. They trade physical movement for screen-based work that can be done from anywhere. One practical next step is to pick one platform from a category that matches your skills and complete a few starter tasks to understand how the workflow actually feels. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of gig work options that don't require a vehicle or upfront investment.